Hey everyone, Instagram has just rolled out an app called Threads for Instagram, and it's a new messaging app like Instagram direct messages, but in a standalone app. So in this video, I wanted to show you exactly how to use it and what it's beneficial for. And if it's your first time here, I make these type of Instagram and social media videos every single day, so please consider subscribing. So this is currently available for iOS and Android, and I'm gonna go ahead and download it. I just found it in the App Store here. I'm going to go ahead and open the app. Let's go ahead and set it up first, then I'll show you exactly how to use it. So because it's on my phone, it's already connected to my new Slate account on Instagram, or I could press switch account and sign into my account here, or sign up for Instagram even right here through the app. But I'm going to go ahead and continue with my Instagram account. It already auto-connected because I'm logged in with my phone. Then it's going to ask me to pick friends to become my close friends. As you could see, it already picked people for me because I chose them already on the close friends function of Instagram. So if you've already done it, you're going to see some people. If you haven't, don't worry, go ahead and pick the people that you want here. You could edit this all the time between this app and Instagram too. So I'm going to press done. You could turn on notification if you want to here. You could go ahead and customize your camera. So we'll worry about this later too. I'm going to skip this. And there's an auto status function, which lets your friend know where you are, basically where you're up to by using your location. I'm going to go ahead and skip this too, but you could turn that on if you want. And there's a bunch of other things that I'm going to show you, like themes. You could change any of these later. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the daylight theme right now. Press done and give it access to my camera and give it access to my microphone. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the app here. So right on the bottom left, you have your camera option. So if you press that, you're gonna take a picture. And if you've ever used Instagram direct messages, it's gonna be able to be viewed once on the bottom. It's gonna be a replay option. That means they could watch it a couple of times, or keep in chat. That's just a regular text message, for example, that never goes away. So I'm just gonna keep it on replay. On top, you have text options. You have sticker options, just like all the stickers you have on Instagram. A little bit more limited, but a bunch of stickers available here. You could have the line option where you could just draw things if you want to. I'm gonna undo that. And you could go ahead and download the picture with the download icon if you wanted to just go ahead and download it to your phone. So that's how you would take a picture here. And then on the bottom, as you could see, you have your close friends here, and you could go ahead and message any of them if you want to. So if I press one of these, it's gonna let me send that message to that person. So it says swipe up to send. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And just like that, it send a message to Howfinity by me pressing the camera icon, taking that picture, choosing their name, and then go swiping up like that, and he sends the message to them. You could do the same thing with video. If you hold the camera icon, you could see it's recording a video now. And if I let go, the video has been recorded, and then I could do the same thing. Replay, go ahead and press the up option, and then I could send it this way as well. Instead of pressing X to get out, I could go ahead and send it, choose the person or multiple people, or share it to my story. The story option will share it to everyone in the close friends group, and I'm gonna go ahead and press share. And that brings us to this page where I could show you some more things here. So on top, you have your plus option next to your profile. That will let you create a status. Again, the auto status on the bottom, you see that icon to turn it on. It's gonna use your location to update your status automatically, or you could go ahead and press new location and choose things here, and you have some timelines. So for the next hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and so on. So you could basically type in your status here, choose an emoji for your profile, and then choose your time here, 2 hours, press set status, and your status has been set. So again, if I go to the camera option here, anytime I press home, I'll come back to the same page where I could see who I've messaged, the messages and videos and photos that have been sent to them, and my status on top. And then on the right, again, to go to the camera area, you could just press that and come to this page. So this app is basically this page, which is your camera option, where you could quickly send messages to people just like that by pressing their name on top. You could also edit this on the bottom. You could take pictures and videos on the bottom. You could flip your camera, turn off flash, and go to home. This is your home where all your close friends are gonna be mentioned here by name, and you could click on each of them to go ahead and message them just like that here. And you have your 3 lines on the top left. Go ahead and press that. Again, this is where you could change your close friends. So if you press this, it's gonna let you delete close friends and use the search option to find new ones and add them to this list. So by checking people on and off here, that's how I would add them, and I could go ahead and search for them on top to add new ones. You could do the same thing on Instagram. Press the 3 lines again on the Threads app, Status, again, what I showed you how to do by pressing the icon on top. You could do that here with the 3 lines. Customizing your camera, that's basically letting the people on the bottom disappear or be added. So I could X out someone, and then I could add a new person here by pressing plus, and then let me X out of here. So now if I press the camera icon, look on the bottom, it's changed it now. So if you want to have the 3 friends that you message the most be in the center, you could just simply do that here. Again, let me go back to home, press the 3 lines one more time, and then let's go ahead and press create group. So with create group, if you have a lot of close friends, you could make them into smaller groups. So best friends could be one, co-workers could be one, and you could create groups this way. And then you could hide groups as well once you do create them. Themes, what we set up in the beginning, so you could have dark or light themes here if you wanted to. There's a bunch of themes available. There's an automatic theme too if you have dark mode on your phone. I'm gonna leave it on daylight. And finally, you could save the original photos by turning that on, and you have your privacy option where your activity could be shown automatically or turned off so people don't know what you're up to if you want to keep it more private. It's that simple to use this app basically. You have your camera page where you could take photos and videos here, put stickers or text on each one, and then go ahead and press the up arrow here to send it to your close friends. And as always, you could change your close friends, edit them, add new people, remove people. And it's a super simple messaging app from Instagram that I think I'm gonna find useful. I've been using it inside of Instagram, but this seems to be a much easier way to share with people, with my close friends here, and not use the Instagram app. And again, the app is called Threads from Instagram, and it's available on iOS and Android. And as if you noticed, if you see all from Instagram, they don't release a lot of apps. So this must be a big deal to basically take the close friends option on Instagram and make its own app. IGTV is basically the only one that has done that, plus some of these other things like layout and boomerang, which are functions inside of the camera option on Instagram. But I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos and social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.